everyone! Today's CapCut trick will give your videos a polished cinematic look with black bars. Black bars at the top and bottom of videos, also called letterboxing, are more than just an aesthetic choice. They fill the frame in a specific aspect ratio, creating a more immersive viewing experience, just like in movies. Let's jump in. Alright, open the app and start a new project. Import the video you want to edit. I have mine right here. Tap on the video clip in the timeline. At the bottom, you can see the toolbox. Find the mask button. You'll see different mask options. Choose Mirror. This automatically adds black bars to your video. Play with the handles on the sides to adjust the width of the black bars. Find the size that complements your video best. Want to make the black bars appear or disappear smoothly? Here's how. With the mirror mask selected, tap the diamond icon next to the opacity bar. This creates a keyframe marking the current opacity level. Move the playhead to the point where you want the black bars to fade, in or out. Adjust the opacity bar. Slide it down to 0% for a complete fade out, or up to 100% for a fade in effect at that specific point in the video. Want a gradual fade? Create additional keyframes by tapping the diamond again at different points in the timeline and adjust the opacity accordingly. This allows you to fine-tune the fading behavior. And that's it! With the mask feature and a touch of keyframe magic, you can now add those classic cinematic black bars to your CapCut videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. See you next time!